Hi, this is for week 4 of COM 111. This is for July 21st through 27th. This video will outline what needs to be completed for week 4. Remember that there are detailed instructions for each assignment that are available in the weekly folders. So to find this week's assignments, you first click on Weekly Assignments and then click on Week 4. You need to take a look at the outline for this week. So remember again, this is July 21st through 27th. You have now completed 3 of your 4 speaking prompts. So just like with speaking prompt 1 and 2, you need to give feedback to the people in your small group. You have done this the last couple of weeks. So you use the 8 competencies to give some feedback to the students in your group. It doesn't need to be for each of the competencies, but some detail in a couple of areas that you think might be helpful to your peers so that they can improve for the 4th speaking prompt that is due this week. I will try to get your feedback to you by Tuesday. The second thing that you need to do is to participate in this week's discussion board. So again, you can find that in the group discussion area, and this would be week 4 discussion board, and I will provide you with several prompts and you can respond or start your own threads there. The third thing that I would like you to do is to complete your 4th speaking prompt. You will find a link to the speaking prompts in this week's folder, and you can choose one of the 2 speaking prompts available there. The 4th item is to read chapters 9, 10, and 11 using the text Communication in the Real World. For your final informative speech, you have submitted your topic, your introduction, your outline, and your references, and I have given you feedback on those things. So now it's time for you to practice. So this week you will find some guidance in the folder on how to practice your final speech. For this practice, you can record yourself in view, or you can present your speech in front of another person and receive feedback from them. Or you can work with the small group within this course and present your practice speeches to those other students. If everybody in your group is available to meet in person, and you can do that on campus or another public place, feel free to do that in person, or you can do it through Zoom or Google Groups. If you need help on how to organize that, I'm happy to help you with that. If you choose to meet with students from our class, you can earn 10 points extra credit. Otherwise, this will just be your completion grade for the practice for the informative speech. When you do the practice, I want either for you to give ideas of what you need to work on through the 8 competencies, or for the other person to give you feedback. So you need to include a copy of the notes here. But then I also would like you to talk about what you plan on improving on before you submit your final speech at the end of the class. And as a reminder, your interpersonal paper is due by the end of the course on Saturday, August 3rd. If you need a reminder of what is included with that, the handout is available in this week's folder. And there's also a video in the week 2 folder that goes over the expectations for the interpersonal unit paper. If you have any questions or concerns after watching this video and reading through the handouts, please make sure that you email me and I'd be glad to help you. Have a great week.